Welcome to the Lollipop Song.
Hello, kids, come with me to a bright factory. Big machines go round and round, making biscuits yum and sound.
Clap, clap, slowly, look around with big eyes.
Hop, clap, slowly, look around with big eyes. Flour and milk go in the bowl, sugar sweet makes it whole. Flour and milk go in the bowl, sugar sweet makes it whole.
Mix it smooth and nice, clean and fresh, that's the price. Mix it smooth and nice, clean and fresh, that's the price.
Biscuits, biscuits, fresh and sweet. Warm and crunchy, fun to eat. Made with care, clean and bright. Healthy snacks that feel just right.
Now the dough goes in a line, machines shape it, wow, so fine. Stars and circles, big and small, perfect biscuits, one and all.
Yummy biscuits, soft and sweet, crunchy treats we love to eat. Clean and fresh in every bite, happy snacks that feel so right.
Into ovens hot and warm, biscuits bake and take their form. Golden color smells so nice, cooking perfect, not too twice.
Fresh biscuits, warm and nice. Crunchy joy in every slice. Made so clean and shining bright. Healthy bites that feel just right.
Out they come, cool and dry, ready now, oh my, packed in boxes, neat and tight, safe and clean for every bite. Biscuits here, hooray, hooray, tasty treats we love all day, clean and safe, made just right, after snacks, pure delight.
Share with friends, don't be shy, kindness makes the joy go high. Clean food, happy hearts we see. Healthy kids like you and me. Next week,
We will visit another exciting factory. We will visit another exciting factory. We will visit another exciting factory. Clean, they're fresh in another exciting factory.
next week, we will visit another exciting factory.